Salim, you have my mind spinning round. You have so many exciting things going on. I get to go to Brazil. Are we going to meet in Brazil? Are you going to Brazil?
Expomafe, Brazil. It's going to be experiencing a spinner.
I'm so excited. I'm not even sure if I'm doing this in order, but let's try to do this in order because I know you have a grand opening coming. I know we have some Brazilian stuff to do. I know you have a German open house that everyone loves to attend. I'm forgetting the order. I'm so excited, but these are 3 really great events happening very soon. Let's talk a little bit about that and let the audience know how excited they maybe they could try to get as excited as I am.
All over the world, Tony. So of course we have our open house coming up in Germany, and that's May 21st to the 23rd in Munich, our headquarters, global headquarters.
Love that.
Expomafe, you're going to be there in Brazil with our dealer in Brazil, showing a little bit of what Spinner is doing there. Of course, we're announcing the opening of the new Spinner North America Tech Center in Austin, Texas, and that's coming up in early June, and formal invitations will be going out. So if you want to be part of that, let us know. You will be part of that.
Absolutely.
And also, of course, excited about TECMA. We're doing TECMA in Mexico City, middle of June. So we're looking forward to that. Tony Campos, it's going to be there. You'll be there. And we're looking forward to, being part of the German pavilion, being part of the TECMA show as well.
So I'm going to do something I probably shouldn't do, Salim. You know me to do that.
I trust you.
Do you have a favorite? Which one are you most excited about and why? Or maybe you're excited about all of them, but why? I want to know why you're excited.
They're all really good opportunities to share our values and what we are all about as a machine tool company. But I think the open house in Germany probably does the best job at showing what this company has done for the past 75 years, making our own machines and working with, talented engineers to design these very innovative products. So that's probably the one I'm most excited about. I'll be there. I think that a lot of customers are already planning on going, and we hope to have a lot more people from the United States and North America also join us.
Is everyone invited to that?
Everyone is invited.
Oh, awesome.
We love to show everybody our home, what we're about, how we're making these machines, and it's an opportunity for us to get to know each other a little better.
Yeah, well, we're talking about TECMA and Expomafe because these are markets that are expanding and growing. I mean, Brazil's doing an amazing job. Mexico constantly doing an amazing job. But there's a couple of really exciting ideas happening in Austin, Texas as well.
Absolutely.
Would you mind talking a little bit more about that?
Yeah, so with the new surge of American manufacturing, we're seeing that Texas is shining as a very bright light. Austin particularly is kind of in the center of it all. And we have some great customers there already. And it gives us the opportunity to support not only those customers, but other customers that are coming to us with quick parts, service, and the opportunity to see the latest machines that we have available in stock in the US. So we're going to be doing that throughout the United States to be close to our customers, to add value in whatever way we can.
So 4 amazing events coming up. We got Germany, we got Brazil, we got Mexico, we got grand opening here in the US as well. But that's not all. And there's so much more. So if people want to know more about some of the events you're going to be attending or some of the areas where they can find you, what's the website to do a little bit more research on that?
Yeah, so our website is spinnercnc.com. And of course, we have our factory website as well. So if you're interested in trade shows around the world, many other trade shows are taking place that I can't even remember them all. But spinnercnc.com is the main source for them.
Salim, the last time you and I saw each other in Germany at EMO, I believe it was nearly 24 machines on your, I walked in and I thought to myself, this might be one of the best booths at all the show.
Yeah, well, thank you for that, Tony, and it was great seeing you there. We had 23 machines in 2023. So, I think in 2025, it might be 25, I'm not sure. But to your point, yes, it's going to be a really exciting opportunity to show the new technology. In 2023, we show our new big TTS, multi-turn machine with very big spindle bore. And I think the customers going to EMO, they're going to have an opportunity to see some great new technology. And that's going to be in September. So, it's really funny to think that we're not thinking that far out when we're talking about all the events that are taking place. But we're definitely planning on being there, and we hope you can make it there.
Well, now we've got 5 events we're excited about,
Yes.
and I know if we keep talking, we're going to find some more.
Yeah.
So go to the website instead. Otherwise, this video is going to be an hour and a half long. We'll have to turn it into a
Yeah.
podcast like we've already done before. But Spinner has so much going on here in North America and around the world. If you haven't checked them out yet, see what they can do for you. Truly multitasking machines that are German precision engineered. 1948,
Yeah.
I believe, was the genesis of this company. So not
Yes.
someone that started overnight, but been around a long time to make sure that you're supported. And yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for being here, Salim.
Thank you, Tony. Appreciate it. Thank you.